Hello, my name is Azizul Islam. I am a professional digital marketer at Marketplace and out of Marketplace. Today, I will talk about my skill and experience. Actually, I want to satisfy my client and client's customer with best service, and that is my main goal. I have deep knowledge on this work and I have successfully done 150 plus project. I have more than 5 years of experience on digital marketing. Especially I'm expert on Facebook and Google Ads campaign. My services are Facebook marketing, and I think you know that it is a popular social media site. Instagram marketing, Twitter marketing, Pinterest marketing, LinkedIn marketing, and YouTube marketing. Search engine marketing, search engine optimization, Bing marketing, email marketing, Shopify dropshipping, lead generation, marketing strategy, Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, Google Merchant Center, Google Analytics GA4.